keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are doing a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
Hello students, today we are going to study Mathematics Part 1 of Standard 10th, Chapter number 2, Quadratic Equation. In Quadratic Equation, today we will learn Quadratic Equation Introduction, Standard Form of Quadratic Equation, and Roots of Quadratic Equation. Before starting with that quadratic equation, let us revise the topic we had studied last year, polynomial. We know types of polynomial according to their degree. When the degree of the polynomial is 1, it is said as linear polynomial. When the degree of the polynomial is 2, it is said as quadratic polynomial. Let us classify the following polynomials as linear and quadratic polynomial. In example number 1, the degree of the polynomial is 1. Therefore, it will be called as linear polynomial. In example 2, the degree of the polynomial is 2. Therefore, it will be called as a quadratic polynomial. In third example, again the degree is 1. It will be called as a linear polynomial. Example number 4, degree is 2. It will be called as a quadratic polynomial. And in the last example again, the degree of the polynomial is 2. It will be called as quadratic polynomial. After understanding linear polynomial and quadratic polynomial, let us see what is quadratic equation. The same quadratic polynomials, when equated to 0, that type of equation is known as a quadratic equation. In the previous example, x square plus 3x minus 5 was said to be quadratic polynomial. If the same equation is written as x square plus 3x minus 5 equals to 0, then it will be said as quadratic equation. Let us see the condition to identify quadratic equation. There are total 3 conditions which has to be satisfied. Condition number 1. Equation should have only one variable. Second condition is degree of the equation should be 2. And the last and the third condition is the value of a should not be equals to 0. Now let us see the definition of a quadratic equation. The equation involving one variable and having 2 as a maximum index value of the variable is called as a quadratic equation. Let us see now standard or general form of a quadratic equation. The general form or the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. Here x is the variable. Ax square will be called as quadratic term, whereas bx will be called as linear term and c will be called as constant. In ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, a, b and c are the real numbers and a should not be equal to 0. Let us see a few more examples of quadratic equation, their standard form, and let us try to get the value of a, b and c. Here are few of the quadratic equation. First quadratic equation is x square minus 4 equals to 0. If we want to write it in a standard or a general form, it will be written as x square plus 0x minus 4 equals to 0. And the value of a will be 1, the coefficient of x square, the value of b will be 0, the coefficient of linear term, and the value of c will be that constant value minus 4. In the same way, second example, y square equals to 2y minus 7. Here the values which are there on the right hand side of the equation will be shifted to the left hand side. It will be written as y square minus 2y plus 7 equals to 0. Here the value of a means the coefficient of a quadratic term will be 1. The value of b means the coefficient of a linear term will be -2. And c, the constant value, will be 7. In third example, x square plus 2x equals to 0. Here one of the term is missing, that we can write it with the help of 0. It will be written as x square plus 2x plus 0 equals to 0. Again the value of a is 1, the value of b is 2 and the value of c is 0. Let us see roots of quadratic equation. What is roots of quadratic equation? The values of the variable which satisfies the equation are called solution or the roots of the equation. I hope you all had understood today's topic. In the next class, we are going to learn practice set 2.1. Thank you.